Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on VR. First, understand that Fortnite is not natively available on standalone VR headsets like the Quest 3. To enjoy this experience, you'll need a capable gaming PC to stream the game. Make sure your computer meets Fortnite system requirements for optimal performance. Additionally, a robust Wi-Fi connection, ideally Wi-Fi 6, is crucial for a smooth, low-latency streaming experience between your PC and headset. This setup ensures you get the best possible virtual reality gameplay. Next, let's prepare your PC. Begin by installing the official Oculus PC application, which is vital for connecting your headset. You'll then set up either Oculus Link for a wired connection or AirLink for a wireless one, depending on your preference. For even better streaming quality and features, you might explore third-party solutions like Steam Link or Virtual Desktop. Always remember to keep your PC's graphics drivers completely updated. This is key for achieving the best possible visual fidelity and performance during your VR sessions. Now, let's configure your Quest 3 headset. Establish the connection between your Quest 3 and PC using either Oculus Link with a high-quality USB-C cable or AirLink for a wireless setup. Once connected, dive into your Quest 3 settings to fine-tune visual quality and performance to your liking. It's also a good idea to ensure your headset is fully charged or plugged in to avoid interruptions. Finally, take a moment to calibrate your physical play space, ensuring you have ample room and no obstacles for safe and immersive gameplay. With everything set up, it's time to launch Fortnite. Once your Quest 3 is successfully connected to your PC, simply start Fortnite on your computer. You'll typically control the game using a compatible gamepad or your traditional keyboard and mouse, as the VR headset acts as your display. Take a moment to adjust Fortnite's in-game settings for a comfortable and immersive VR experience. Now you're all set to enjoy playing Fortnite, streamed directly to your Quest 3 headset, bringing a new dimension to your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.